Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, pupunta tayo sa Doña Remedios Trinidad, Bulacan. Meron daw kasi itong bagong resort na sa ibabaw ng bundok. The name is Mount Brigino. So let's go! So after 2 hours of driving from Commonwealth, Quezon City, we arrived in the resort, Mount Brigino. So, meron silang parking area, meron silang pool, not too deep, it's only about 3 to 4 feet. Meron silang kubo, cottages, and teepees. Meron nga rin silang private pavilion kung meron gusto ng private area with the pool. So guys, yung entrance dito is 200 kasama na yung pool Otherwise yung day tour 100 pesos lang per person. Okay? So more details to come up later on. So as you can see, meron silang mga kubo, no? It's good for 3 persons. So this is the kubo. Ito yung 1,300 overnight from 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. Yan. Meron siyang isang bed for 2 tsaka isang upper bed for 1. Okay. Ayan. Ditong water provided already for washing. May table, may ceiling fan. I think it's a good deal. Yan, may mga rules and regulations din dito. Grabe naman yung penalty, 80 to 100 years pag nagtapon ka na aluminum cans. So meron silang room accommodation din na solar powered. That's absolutely overlooking the Bulacan area. So yun yung mga kubo na pagpipilian nyo. So like I said, yung rate noon is 1,300 for overnight from 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. Tapos meron din silang 24-hour na option. I think it's 1,800. I'll clarify later on. I'll check with the reception. Wow, they also have events place. Yeah, no. So check it out. So 330 steps daw to. Mula baba hanggang sa taas. Bilangin natin. Okay. So, finally, nandito tayo sa summit ng Mount Brigino. So, check natin mamaya kung gaano kataas to. So, meron siyang 360 view. So, hindi kagaya ng mga ibang inaakit namin bundok na 180 lang or na hindi siya 360 view talaga. So, this is very interesting. So, I think babalik kami rito for an overnight stay. Kasi I want to experience yung gabi dito. It's so beautiful, I believe. Look at that. Ayan. So by the way, this is accessible sa car at saka sa sa motorcycle. Yung daan niya papunta rito. Some additional information. Pwedeng magdala ng food. dito kainin pero bawal lang magkalat. So lahat ng dala nyo, lata or bote or anything na leftover sa mga pagkain nyo, you can take it back. Walang iiwan kasi nakakaya naman sa kanila. Alright. Meron din silang tindahan dito. Just mga short orders. Meron din sila burger and more stuff to eat. Tsaka drinks din. Alright. Punta na kayo dito. So guys, let's eat lunch. So dito na kami kumain. Pwede naman basta ano lang, tapon lang yung mga kalat sa basurahan. Huwag iiwan kung saan saan. Okay guys, let's eat. By the way, yung TP cottages nila is 2,000 for day tour, 2,500 for overnight, and 3,500 for 24 hours. Tapos yan, meron din silang private pool with 2 TP cottages included and a pavilion good for 120, 140 guests for 10,000. For day tour, 12,000 for overnight. So guys, punta na kayo rito. It's absolutely worth it. Although medyo malayo ang travel, pero ilagay nyo lang sa Waze, no? Mount Brigino. And